nothing to make the comparison. So time is a perception. Allah created time, and Allah is beyond time, matter, and space. So Allah is infinite. There is no beginning or an end for Allah, inshallah. Allah existed before the Big Bang, and Allah existed infinitely, inshallah. Allah created our infinite life, including hereafter. Hereafter is infinite. Allah created infinite life in the infinite fraction of a single moment and finished it. But we don't know this is future for us, for example, or hereafter is future for us, because we do not have this information yet. But it is not future for Allah. You can imagine something like this to make an analogy. Of course, Allah is beyond that. Imagine a film, an open whole film, entire film, all together. The beginning of the film, the middle of the film, and the end of the film exist at the same time. The filmmaker knows all of these scenes because he made this film, and he knows at a single moment the beginning, the end, the beginning, middle, and the end. However, somebody who watches this movie or film doesn't know what's going to happen next. And the end of this film is really the future for him, but not for the filmmaker, because he can see all of them go together. You can think this way. Of course, it is very hard for us. It is impossible for us to comprehend the infinite existence of Allah, because we are created in the dimensions of time and space. We are bound to that, but Allah is beyond that. Allah created these dimensions just for us. So, before and after does not apply to infinity of Allah. Allah is infinite, inshallah.
So, mashallah, great presentation. I enjoyed it a lot, mashallah. Very good. My question actually to the Christian gentleman, the speaker, before Brother Toby. Yes. And I'm feeling so sorry about your leg being cured your leg. So I know that you have a problem. But anyway, I have been in touch with many Christian missionaries and pastors and priests and all that, and all of them almost have advised me to read the Bible. And they have also advised me to seek the truth, and they quoted me verses like seek the truth, and the truth will set you free, you know. And so I have taken the advice and I start to read the Bible. But the moment I start asking questions, then I have not, received any convincing answer, especially when today's topic, related to today's topic. So my question is that in the first chapter of Genesis, in the 3rd verse, it says that God Almighty has created the vegetation kingdom, the vegetable plants and all that. And in the 4th day, that was in the 3rd day, according to the Bible. On the 4th day, God has created the sun and the moon. So the question is, how could we have vegetation kingdom before the creation of the sunlight?
I'm sorry, at this moment, I don't have the, if we had a Bible in front of us, we would have, oh, you have, great. Can you go